This is the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Let's unbox it together. There are 3 color options for the Pixel 8 Pro: Obsidian, Black, Porcelain, White, and this one called Bay Blue. I've seen all color options in person, and this one is my favorite. There are 3 cameras on the back of this phone and 1 on the front. The phone has a 6.7-inch display, which feels quite tall if you're using the phone with just one hand. The main 50-megapixel camera works well in low light. The 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera will give you a cool macro shot and astrophotography options, and the 48-megapixel telephoto camera gives you up to 30 times zoom with very solid image stabilization even if your hands shake. Also on the back of the camera, you'll find a temperature sensor, which is meant for objects like a hot pan or a baby's bottle. At launch, it's not certified to use to take your own temperature. In the box, you'll see the USB Type A to C adapter, a USB-C cable, and also hidden among the product documentation is where you'll find the SIM card removal tool. The phone has a shiny, polished aluminum frame, and the Pro model comes in 3 storage options: 128 gig, 256, and 512. So that's a quick introduction to the Google Pixel 8 Pro. What do you think of this phone? What are your questions? Let me know in the comments.